Solve another Leetcode problem 3074, apple redistribution into boxes. So the problem is very straightforward, and we are giving an array with packs of apples. So for example, for the first pack we have 1 apple, the second pack we have 3 apples, and the third pack we have 2 apples. And we have a capacity array. So for each of the number capacity, that just means the capacity of a box. So we want to put all the apples inside the box, and we want to check how many boxes we need to have to put all the apples inside the box. Yeah, and all the apples can put inside the box, and each of the pack can be redistributed. So for example, this 3 can be redistributed to 1 and 2, or 2 and 1. It is, or 1 and 1 and 1. It is still okay. Yeah. So this problem, as we are going to calculate the minimum number of boxes, so basically this is a minimum maximum problem, and the first idea is greedy. If we are going to solve the greedy problem, basically we can use the sorting to check the minimum or the maximum. Yeah. So first of all, we need to count how many apples do we have. So we're gonna use a total. It's gonna be sum of the apple. Now we want to check the capacity. If we want to take the boxes as little as possible, so definitely we want to choose the maximum capacity first. So we're gonna need a sort of capacity. So we're gonna use a reverse to true. This means we're gonna sort it in reverse order, in decreasing order. Now we just need to enumerate all the boxes. So for I capacity, enumerate the capacity array. Now we want to check the count. Yeah. So the count gonna plus equal to the capacity. Let me just prepare this count. It's gonna be starting from 0. Yeah. So we're gonna loop through the capacity. For the first one, it's gonna be 5. Yeah. And the count would plus equal to yeah, the count is my final return. I need to use this total. Yeah. So I want to check if this total let me think about it. So for the total, I have the total capacity. I have the total apples. Yeah. So if this total minus the capacity, yeah, let me just use more. If the total is more than and equal to I want to check it differently. So if this total is I don't want to. I want to use this count to represent how many apples do I have. Yeah. So count would plus equal to C. So this means currently, for the first step, I'm gonna have 5 apples, and then I'm gonna have 9 apples. Yeah. So this is just means the capacity. Yeah. So if this count is more than and equal to the total of apples, it means I need to stop it. So I just need to return I plus 1. So this just means, so for example, for the first index it is 5, and then the index is going to be 4, and the value of count is going to be 9. And this 9 is more than and equal to the total, and the total is 6. If it is more than that, I'm going to return the answer immediately. So the index is going to be 1, 1 plus 1, and it's going to be 2. So this means I need 2 boxes. And this is my final return, because I don't need to return anything. There's always an answer for the boxes. Yeah. Now let me just submit it and check if it works. Yeah, as you can see, it works. So this is a great idea of solving the problem. Thank you for watching. See you next time.